Morning students, I'm your maths teacher Pooja. As you know, I hope you all are safe at your home. Today in this e-learning we are going to start our first chapter, and the name of the chapter is integers. So as you have studied in your 6th class also about integers, in this first topic we will just recall our previous knowledge that we have studied in our 6th class or primary classes. And the first topic of this chapter is type of numbers. The first type of numbers are natural numbers. As you all know, natural numbers are the numbers that started from 1 and goes up to infinite. Infinite means there is no limit to explain natural numbers, that how many natural numbers are there. You can write as largest number as you can. So there is no limit. So the smallest natural number is 1, but we don't know what is the largest natural number. So the natural numbers are the numbers that starts from 1 and goes up to infinite. The smallest natural number is 1 and the largest number is not defined. Now the next type of numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers that started from 0 and the same they goes up to infinity. Started from 0 and goes up to infinity. So the smallest whole number is 0 and the largest whole number is not defined. There is a difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. If someone asks that what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers, then you will tell natural numbers are the numbers started from 1 and whole numbers are the numbers started from 0. If you add 0 into natural numbers, they will become whole numbers. If you add 0 there, they will become whole numbers. So whole number is equal to 0 plus natural numbers. Now one more thing is there, that is negative of natural numbers. What is negative? Negative means minus sign is there. So negative of natural numbers, if you place a minus sign at each of the natural number, minus sign at each of the natural number, it will become negative natural number. So if you place minus sign at each natural number, it will become negative of natural number. Now we have arranged something. We have arranged like this. We have placed all the negative natural numbers on the left side and we have placed all the whole numbers on the right side. Negative natural numbers means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, as we have defined it here. So we have placed the negative natural numbers on the left side and we have placed the whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So we have placed the whole numbers on the right side of a line, and this will become collectively integers. So integers are the collection of whole numbers and negative of natural numbers. We have placed the negative natural numbers on the left side of a line and we have placed the whole numbers on the right side of a line. So it will become integer. So integer is the collection of whole numbers and negative of natural numbers. These integers are represented by the letter Z. We will represent an integer by the letter Z. Whenever in mathematics the word Z is used, that will represent integer. Whenever there is N is written, that means natural number. Whenever there is W is written, that means whole numbers. So whenever Z is written, that means that is a integer. So the integer is a collection of negative natural numbers and whole numbers. So integer is a collection of negative natural numbers and whole numbers. The smallest integer. So if you have been asked that what is the smallest integer, so the smallest integer must be on the left side and the largest integer must be on the right side. Both sides are not defined. We can't predict which one is the smallest integer and which one is the largest integer. So the smallest integer we will tell it's minus infinity and the largest integer is plus infinity. I hope you understand this. Now we have studied in our last class also how to represent an integer on a number line. How will we represent an integer on a number line? First of all, you draw a line, straight line. In the middle of the line we will place 0. on the left side there are negative integers, negative sign are there on the number, and on the right side there are positive integers. So 0 is in the middle, 0 is neither positive nor negative. On the left side there are negative integers and on the right side there are positive integers. For example, you have to represent minus 3 on the number line, so we will draw it like this and then we will circle minus 3 on the number line. In this way we will represent any given integer on the number line. Now the next topic, you have also studied this topic in 6th class, but we will recall again how to add and subtract integers on a number line. How will you add two integers or three integers on a number line? How will you subtract two or more integers on a number line? So the first case is, if you are given a positive integer, if you are given a positive integer, just after the next integer you are given 6, and just after 6 you are given plus 3, that is a positive integer. So if you are given a positive integer here plus 3, so what will you do? You will go to the right side. When I have told you last time also, whenever plus sign is there you have to go to the right side. So we will go first to the 6 value, from 0 to 6 we will go from 0 to 6 there, and then we will go 3 place to the right side. So 3 place to the right of 6 is 9. So the answer is 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And the next example is, whenever you are given the first integer is minus 6. So first of all you will go to minus 6. First of all you will go to minus 6. Then plus sign is there, so you have to go to the right side. So plus sign is there, you have to go to the right side of 6. So the 3 steps in the right of 6. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. So minus 6 plus 3, answer is minus 3. Understand? Now the next example, next case is, whenever you are given a negative integer, whenever you are given a negative integer just next to the given integer, then you will go to the left side. Sorry, I have told you whenever minus sign is there you have to go to the left side. So minus 6 is there and then you have to add minus 3. Minus integer is there, so first of all you will go to minus 6 and then 3 steps to the right side, 3 steps to the left side, sorry, 3 steps to the left side, and you will reach to minus 9. Whenever minus sign is there you have to go to the left side. Whenever plus sign is there you have to go to the right side. Where this minus sign and plus sign is given? The minus sign and plus sign is given with the second integer, second or third integer, whatever is given. So you have to check which sign is given there. So whenever plus sign is there you have to go to the right side. Whenever minus sign is there with the integer you have to go to the left side of the number line. Now the third case is there. Third case, if you have to subtract a positive integer, then it will become reverse. Whenever you have to add, you have to go to the right side for a positive integer, left side for a negative integer. But whenever you have to subtract, so for a positive integer you have to go to the left side of the number line. For example, here it is given minus 4 minus 3. So first of all you will go to minus 4, then minus sign is there, so you will go to the left side, minus 3, 3 steps to the left side. So 3 steps, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So we will reach at minus 7. So the answer is minus 7. Now the next case is, whenever you have to subtract a negative integer from the given integer. So you are given a negative integer minus 5 and you have to subtract again a negative integer. So what will you do? You will go to the right side. So first of all we will reach minus 5, we will reach at minus 5. Then you have given minus 4, minus sign is there, so you have to go to the right side. Then whenever there is minus sign, whenever there is plus sign you have to go to left, whenever there is minus sign you have to go to the right. Clear? So after reaching minus 5 we will go 4 steps to the right, and the 4 steps are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So we will reach at minus 1. So our answer is minus 1. Now operations, addition and subtraction, we have to apply two operations. So whenever addition is there and positive integer is there, the second integer, if the second integer is positive, for example you are given 6 plus, that means you have to add, and the next integer you have to check. If here it is written 5, 6 plus 5, and one is 6 plus minus 5, two different questions are there. First of all you have to go to 6. 6 is on the right side of the number line, as it is plus, so 6 is on the right side of the number line. So first of all you will go to the 6 value, then you have to add a positive integer. You have to add a positive integer, so which side you have to go? You have to go to the right side. So 6, again you have to go to the right side, that means you have to go in increasing positive integers, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will reach at 11. Whenever minus in negative integer is there, you have to go to the left side. Left side means you have to go to the negative side of the number line. So first of all we will reach at 6, then we will come back. How many steps? 5 steps. So 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will reach at 1. So whenever there is positive integer, you have to go to the right side in addition, and whenever there is negative integer, you have to go to the left side. Clear? Now what is if there is subtraction? If there is subtraction is given there, what you have to do? Subtraction means if there is given minus sign, then 1 is given there, and 6 minus minus 1. Whenever negative sign is there, subtraction is there, whenever positive integer is there, you have to go to the left side. Here it is positive integer, so you have to go to the left side of the number line. So if here it is 0, you will reach at 6, then you again go one step back, and we will reach at 5. Now whenever you are given negative integer, you have to subtract, go to the right side. Here it is 6, then you have to go to right side, so you will reach at 7. One step, you will move one step forward, you will reach at 7. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 minus minus 1 is equal to 7. Understand? Now the next topic is additive inverse. What is additive inverse? As addition is given there, additive means addition, inverse means opposite. So the negative of any number, the negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. You simply have to learn this definition. Then the negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. Negative means if you are given a number minus 5, then its additive inverse is opposite of that. Opposite of minus is plus, so opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Opposite of 4 is minus 4. Opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. So the additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. Additive inverse of minus 3, the additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. The additive inverse of plus 6 is minus 6. You just simply have to change the sign. If you are given negative sign, you have to change it to plus. If you are given plus sign, you have to change it to minus. That's all for today. I hope you all will understand. Have a nice day.